Hello, so I'm going to be talking about animal rights. To be more specific, I'm going to be talking about um, if animals should be tested on or not. I personally think that animals should be used as subjects for scientific experiments because it medically benefits humans. Now, for the proofs, I have four. So the first one is the fact that humans and animals share hundreds of illnesses, and consequently, animals can act as models for the study of human illness. And I got that from Animal Research Info, so that is my first source. I would like to give an example. So basically, rabbits suffer from atherosclerosis, which is basically the hardening of arteries, as well as diseases such as emphysema and birth defects such as spina bifida. Dogs also suffer from cancer, diabetes, cataracts, ulcers, and many more things. Um, Another example, cats suffer from the same visual impairments as humans. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that we learn these diseases with their bodies, and we basically like learn how the immune system responds, who will be affected, and like many more. And the fact that we share a lot of the same like diseases helps us. For the next source, the next, yeah, source evidence. So, um, it's basically while contributing to our understanding of diseases, animal models also enable researchers to explore potential therapies in ways which would be impossible in humans. And that is also from the same source. So basically, what I'm trying to get at that is, studying diseases in animal models can lead to development of new technologies, medicines, which benefits humans. And also the fact that like animals are altered to create models of diseases are known as induced models. So like for example, um, surgery which damages a particular section of the spinal cord in rats uh, gives rise to symptoms like those seen in human patients. So basically, what I'm trying to say is that it works for. So basically, their problem can help our problem because it's like the same problem, and this is like only for surgery. For the third source, um, basically, scientists racing to develop a vaccine for coronavirus during the 2020 global pandemic need to test on genetically modified mice to ensure that the vaccine doesn't make the virus worse. And now this is from animaltestingprocon.org. So basically, what I have to say about this is the fact that like researchers have really like it's really important for them to test on animals first because if they make a vaccine without testing, it's possible that it can make a human's life worse. Like the conditions can be even worse than before because they don't exactly know what they're making. So they need to test it on animals first to see if what they're doing is right. Also, for the fourth evidence, so basically, animals contribute to numerous treatments and cures that and save human lives, and that is from Ablazion.com. So basically, for instance, an example, so insulin was discovered with an experiment that was performed on a dog's pancreas. So, and there was like a lot more. So like hepatitis was also done on chimpanzees, and there's many more animals. All of this just to say that um, if these experiments weren't done, then we wouldn't find treatments and cures. It would take us a lot longer. So if these treatments, like I said, if these treatments weren't done, then a lot of us wouldn't be alive today. And lastly, animal testing um, is helping with the increase of human lifespan because of the many things that they have to offer. Like I said, they have similar pathologies. They have similar anatomy, and they also help decode human pathologies in order to find really good treatments.